see what comes next year. So far, it's been a big thing. The shakedown stage, the team had to do a bit of a rebuild back then, and sorts of
Yeah, this is the one, right?
He was not super happy with this one. I think we take some points.
4 to 8 is at the front. Taki Katsita Evans and Robert Parrott chasing down Ogier for one last stage. Julian Porter, I mean, we've seen a bit of everything this. What a finale we've got ahead.
Yeah, I just listened to that interview there with Kai. I mean, it could.
Now front though with his closest championship rivals, Nuvan Tanak. Tanak would have to stop and change another puncture on Saturday afternoon when the rain finally came in Africa on the.
Your Rais,
fantastic. So now your birthday, the 70th birthday, is over. A little.
Conclude my remarks, I want to thank His Excellency. You've demonstrated, has made sure that us rally drivers are not just viewed as reckless, but skilled.
thank you, Mr. Phineas Kimathi. Let's give him much. We're going to have the MDWRC promoter, Jonas Sibo, to come and speak.
Congratulations to everybody here for another round, another successful round. Your commitment, your involvement, your support there was so strong, because when we discussed and talked with the drivers about their as a globally well-known, respected body, and especially for the people of Cape.
Phineas Kimathi, the Chief Executive Officer, Kenya Motors.
Her Excellency, Madam Susan Kehika, Governor of Nakuru County. Why don't we give her a warm welcome?
We're overwhelmed with emotions, the emotions of the thrill of man and machine. Racing more than anything else, we are humbled as proud hosts of the great Excellency and spread of
their talent. And so, Your Excellency, it has been an incredible opportunity.
Thank you, Honorable.
Institute, who've been kind enough for the last 3 years to host the official and the biggest service park. And of course, Kenya Airways, amongst other partners that we'll be mentioning here. The rings decide to open up the class for us.
The prize-giving ceremony for the 2023.
The Governor of Nakuru County. Ladies and gentlemen,